Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon. Leave your comments so let me know how it is happening. I know I've not been bringing the oracle cards for a long time, so I thought let's just do the oracle cards today. So let's see. Hello from the heaven. So today your ancestors are blessing you. Your ancestors are sending you their love and positive blessings. Maybe people who are seeing these cards, someone is missing their loved ones whom they have lost recently, and they're not able to come out of that, or they're not able to overcome that. Or maybe today in the morning or in the night in the dreams you saw someone whom you had lost, and because of which you got up with a heavy heart. So this card comes as an indication that they are saying you that they are happy wherever they are, and they are sending you lots of love and lots of happiness. Today, don't hold back. Today, never don't hold back, and just be ready to move. Be ready to do what you desire. Be ready to spread your wings. Now, when I say spread your wings, be ready to handle the issues the way you would handle, and don't look back as to what will happen, how it will go, will it be good or not, because basically Archangel Ariel is a person who will love you and help you in manifest whatever you desire. So to spend your time in manifesting, making your goals, setting your goals, and seeing how to manifest them. Always remember one thing: whenever you set your goals, those goals will become targets, and those targets, when you work towards it, will end up in bringing in success. Today for some, I feel some new opportunity will come. That is why the wings, I feel, is very very prominent. So maybe something new is also coming for you today, something special is coming for you today. Let's just pull out one more card. So yes, something special is coming, because the last card somewhere, it just says that there's a guidance which is coming. Now see the first and the third card. Again, when you see the first and the third card, it is basically a guidance which is coming. Now when it is a guidance, it is coming, it says it is clairaudience. Now what is a clairaudience? Clairaudience is where you pay attention to your thoughts, because whatever you have been asking for, whatever ideas are basically that your prayers have been heard, and inside your mind the guidance is coming. So today what you can do is, whenever this card comes, I remember when I had picked up this oracle deck starting, it had mentioned that you need to wear a lapis lazuli whenever this card comes. Now if you don't have lapis, today's color will be blue. So wear the color blue, so that you will feel the energies of the blue, and you should keep your ears open, because you will get some sort of a guidance which you will hear from your inner mind, and once you follow it, things will definitely fall in place in your favor. So today the color is blue. Have a blessed day.